Labourites, Jamaicans, we are on our way out of the wilderness.
We not vote. Nothing sent and gone to the dogs because we're not coming out. The next election we're not voting. We're not coming out.
You would have seen that your party is not sitting down idly by. We are doing the things necessary to ensure your peace and prosperity. You are the people who have put us here. You have made us stronger. And I'm saying to you tonight, continue to hold us to account. Continue to tell us what you want to see happen.
Who are the leader there? We're tired of crying. We not vote. Nothing sent and gone to the dogs because we're not coming out. The next election we're not voting. We're not coming out.
I am saying to you tonight, don't give up hope. Always keep an optimistic outlook on life. Because we have been in a long struggle. But we are now at the point where we are going to see the benefits.
Every single day we get up a demonstrate. We don't have nobody that can represent we. You understand? China have one of the biggest seats. And you want to tell me, say, nobody at all now come to justice. War. We not see her. Who are the leader there? We're tired of crying. We not vote. Nothing sent and gone to the dogs because we're not coming out. The next election we're not voting. We're not coming out. Shiny walking at sweat and tears, rain, storm. Yeah. In a water boot for we. This Rasta woman, we don't know him, we don't know nobody. She not gone away. We don't who are the leader there. We're tired of crying.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, time come for you, you know. Time really come for you. I want you to like up the video for me. Like the video and share the video. And I want you to watch the video to the end. The wicked Prime Minister I got talk about God. What him know about God? God no remember him, you know, the amount of lie him tell and to how him do Jamaican people. God don't remember him. You need to watch the video to the end. The man I got talk about God. God no remember you. I make me remind you something, Mr. Honest. Jamaica give up on you long time. You talking, say that Jamaica coming out of the wilderness. You put Jamaica in a wilderness. You are Pharaoh. Let God's people go. Let Jamaican people go. The people are going to vote you out. No matter what you do, no matter how much money you bring, the people are going to vote you out because enough is enough. My viewers and subscribers, like and share the video and watch the video to the end. I want to know comments. Hear the wicked that talk about God. This a man who is a liar talk about God. Watch the video to the end, all wicked.
God never kept us or kept his people in the wilderness forever. At some point, he sent leadership and he directed them out of the wilderness. Labourites, Jamaicans, we are on our way out of the wilderness that the PNP led us in and kept us here for over 18 and a half years. We are marching out of the wilderness. We have now shown that we can get your children employed. We have shown that we can pay down the national debt. We have shown that we can keep the dollar stable. We have shown that we can build more road than any other government as houses for you. And we are going to ensure that there is peace in the land so that all Jamaicans can enjoy sweet, sweet Jamaica. We are going to ensure that there is years. We are marching out of the wilderness. We have now shown that we can get your children employed. We have shown that we can pay down the national debt. We have shown that we can keep the dollar stable. We have shown that we can build more road than any other government has ever built before in Jamaica. We have shown that we can build houses for you, and we are going to ensure that there is peace in the land so that all Jamaicans can enjoy sweet, sweet Jamaica.
I know that there are many people on the platform to talk today, so I won't be long. I want to say a word as well about the party and the government. Northeast Central, you have a political party and a government that you can be proud of. It is under the government of Prime Minister Andrew Holness that the poverty rate in Jamaica declined significantly. It's under the government of the Jamaica Labour Party that you have the lowest unemployment rate in Jamaica's history. It's under the government of the Jamaica Labour Party.
Labourites, our party leader. What a beautiful scene here in Northeastern Central. Labour Party ring up from down to back. Let's welcome our champion party leader, Prime Minister of Jamaica, Member of Parliament for West Central St. Andrew, going for the third term. Oh, what a beauty. A mamisha, a man with the vision, a man who has Jamaica at heart, a man who can end the third term, a man who has put in the work. We as Labourites right across Jamaica, within the diaspora, we are proud of our party leader and Prime Minister. Labourites, it's wonderful here in Northeastern St. Ann. This is the moment that Northeastern St. Ann has been waiting for. We will defend the legacy of the late Shahini Robinson. The legacy says Andrew Holness has ensured it. Matthew Samuda, next Member of Parliament. What a foundation we have to stand on as Labourites. A party leader who has put in the work. He's not talk. A leader of substance. A leader with a future. Look at Labourites greeting the party leader. Northeastern St. Ann has longed for this moment. Welcome, party leader. Labourites, at this time, let us welcome officially to the platform, to Northeastern St. Ann, our party leader and Prime Minister, the Honourable Andrew Michael Holness.
Everlasting song, unity and growth.
My viewers and subscribers, don't make the wicked them fool, you know. Do not make the wicked them fool, you know, again. All the loud talking and the bag of knives and the bag of this. Look on the screen. Look on the screen. The people them tired of it. The people them fed up. Them cross, them angry, them miserable, them upset. Jamaican people is just tired of this Labour Party government. Too much of the lies. Too much of the false promises. So many false promises made. And none of them are fulfilled. So when you take the people them for fool. When you take the people them for fool, I want third term. You see, all of them, they want to say right there so a while ago in the party conference. Ask them how much of them get them 5,000, them 3,000, and them Heineken. Ask them how much of them bus guy them come and all kind of some from different constituency. Jamaica Labour Party is losing support because they have let down the people of Jamaica. They've lied to the people of Jamaica. They've used and abused the people of Jamaica. And the people of Jamaica have rejected Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his party. Don't make them fool, you know. But you have showed that you can have more people employed. Which people employed? Somebody we're going to just go get 1 2-day job employed. Somebody where have one job where they, after them get paid this a week, yeah. By Friday, by Monday, them not have no money. People while them light bill cut off, water bill cut off, people can't take care of them pitney. Only 2 lie. You guys promised prosperity, but the prosperity that you guys promised was only for the rich people. You guys promised that people would sleep with the windows and doors open. Not even the dog want to sleep outside no more. The dog will go run, come under your bed. Only think they can't fool the people again. We will never allow it. No matter what them do, share the video, my viewers and subscribers, so everybody can hear and see and know that this government are too lie and wicked, and we will never, ever, ever give them a 3rd term, else Jamaica is going to suffer. Please like and share the video and remember to subscribe.